So my Xbox 360 Elite just red ringed. Looks like we're gonna have to fix this. Through internet research, I found an article that says that wrapping it in a towel sometimes helps. But other than make it look like a Polish immigrant, it did nothing. I found an interesting article on igxpro.net, and I think it's gonna help. So here we have the Xbox 360 that recently got the red ring. Oops. It's okay, I can fix that too. If you follow these simple instructions, you can fix your Xbox too. But remember, safety first.
Did you tell them about the safety?
Yeah, I'm telling them about the safety. Stupid robot man. The first thing we're gonna do is use our screwdrivers to open this thing up.
The Xbox is a really expensive game system. I think you should let a professional do this.
Shut your mouth, douche canoe. I don't need any of your electronic lip. It turns out the Xbox 360 is made out of solid concrete. I think I'm gonna have to upgrade my screwdriver. I think this'll do. Now we're making some progress. Now that we remove this pesky outer coating, we can take a look, see what's going on the inside. God damn you, Bill Gates! Now that we've got this pesky metal cover peeled back, kind of like a sardine can, we can get a good look of what's going on the inside. What the hell is that? Alright, that's looking much better. So, according to igxpro.net, the red ring is usually caused by a temperature overheating problem. You're probably asking yourself, Matt, why would you do that? Well, I thought to myself, well, what do I like to do when I overheat? Well, I enjoy a nice cold glass of water, and I like to turn on the air conditioning. Let's put this thing back together. This is gonna be just like a puzzle. So there, that's how you successfully fix your red ring problem. I say we go play some Viva Pinata. What do you say? Take that, Bill Gates. I don't need your stupid 3-year warranty. Well, it's still better than the PS3. PS3 got no game.